Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Hope You Are Really Happy, Chapter 8. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Yu Xiao. Right now, she's having fun together with her friends. They all went out to karaoke to sing, but it seems that she was aloof. Care about thing. Look at her. It seems that she was waiting for something. She was looking on her phone, and she was only eating fruits. Well, could it be right now? There's someone sent her a message on WeChat. She rashly picked it up. Maybe she was waiting if Suchang. Turns out it was a star romance. Look at her. She looks really sad. I thought it was her. So she was really waiting for Suchang. Well, this girl, it almost late. Lucky, I asked the hot pot to see it. The team was dismantled, the boss didn't lie. It was pretty good, and will invite you back. The next time, it was the leisure color porridge. Are you on the way to work? Well, wait for the traffic light. Well, it seems that they're having a normal conversation, but she was wanting to go out again together with her. No chatting errors this week. Well, probably, she was really waiting for the chance be able to see Su Chang again. Even so, right now, look at her. She seems to be happy, but of course, she was really waiting for Su Chang. Together with her friends, memories of that day are still clear on her mind. She remembers what happened on the dark room, and the two of them. She's getting scared. There's something scary in front. Don't look at it. Su Chang said to her that time. So Chang, she was really close to her. She was really worried about her. So Chang said to her, well, to warn her, for her, it's really feel terrible. In that moment, So Chang, she really cared for her. She just said that she's just afraid of horror. If I said that directly, will I stimulate her? Shall I take a look? Back then, So Chang was grabbing her hands, assuring her, don't look. So, where do I look? So Chang said forget it in case it irritates her again. But of course back then, So Chang said to her, look at me, look at her. She was really moved. Also, she was really look concerned about her. That time, So Chang, she was really concerned. I mean, you still go behind me. So Chang, to change the topic. Well, definitely. Yu Xiao said, oh, the two of them are still together. But it was Su Chang who walks faster than her. After that, the secret room was dark. The surroundings were still terrifying. Also, she was a little bit scared. But Su Chang. But in the eyes of me, Su Xing, in front of me, that she is glowing. Everything she passed by was glowing so she can see the surrounding. If I had known, I would have been braver at the time. Her friend is calling her. Her friend said, come quickly. Her friend seems to be enjoying, but Yu Xiao, she was there, only reminiscing about Su Chang. Well, definitely right now, Yu Xiao, it's a big adventure. So it turns out she lost in the game. And she's the one who needs to be questioned by the prince. I don't want to play big adventure. I would like to admit defeat. Yu Xiao, why are you like this? This is not fun. Yu Xiao, everyone is teasing her. You need to follow the rules. Then you talk about the punishment first. Let me see if it works. Can't think that it. This is not a tour. Rules of the play. Well, definitely her friend said. Tell us the person you like. Oh, definitely. Is she going to call Su Chang? Let's see, on what will she choose? This is wrong. Making a phone call is a big adventure. Saying that you like the other party is the truth. Can you say hello to her? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!